my first time making a self volcano.
And we're gonna be using dish soap, baking soda, white vinegar, snow, and food coloring, assorted.
All right, let's get started.
Okay, so
Yeah, put this in the snow.
Okay.
put the snow in it though. Wait, do we need snow in it?
Mm-mm.
Okay, well, no.
I think that's what
I can't move my fingers.
if I like clouds.
Okay. Hey, look, it's already looking pretty good. Looks kind of like a donut, but whatever.
Yeah.
Can we get donuts after this? So first you need 2 spoons of baking soda. Don't spill it on the snow like me. This is really good.
This looks like
I'm gonna get a
donut.
Wow, you just stood on my line now. Okay.
A little bit of dish soap.
Mom, I want
Put this first.
to love it.
A little bit.
Tell me when to stop.
Stop. Pick what color food coloring you want.
Okay. I'm gonna pick wait. I'm picking my favorite color. I can't grab it.
Should be good.
Wait, one more time.
Pour in the vinegar.
I want to do it. Let me. Yeah. Lift it.
No, just some. It's gonna bubble.
Okay.
That's good. Stop.
So let's see the magic.
I'm getting super forward. I'm gonna stand up.